Since because since we see from last week that the gold price cannot stand above the level 1,350, and the beginning of this week the gold price still cannot hold very well. So there's still some more selling pressures. So right now, all the investors are looking for the Fed meeting for tonight, which if they reduce, as you said, then it will affect the gold price a lot, because the first support level will be at the 1,300 US dollars per troy ounce, and then the next one will be 1,250, and then the last support will be at the level of 1,200 US dollars per troy ounce.
Right. Central banks around the world are now buying more gold, Kundipa. So does this higher demand in particular has any impact on gold prices in your opinion?
Not really, because right now, as we can see the latest report from IMF, there is a report showing that there's some banks that buying gold, but also, there's some countries that buying gold. For example, Greece is one of them, also like Turkey. But then the other side is also some central banks that selling gold, such as Germany, which started selling last month for the level around 0.8 tons. So this actually, if we look at Germany, they have the gold reserve for around 3,300 tons. So this is the first time that it started to sell gold. So we have IMF recommend investor or everyone to watch for this sign also.
Kundipa, India is now importing more gold, making the country put some measures in place, such as limiting gold import or collecting taxes and setting its gold export at 20% of import. How do these measures influence the gold prices?
For this year, India has been increasing the tax for the importer of the gold. So, but however, overall for the importing volume this year for India it's according to World Gold Council, the target that the volume should be around 800 tons. On the other hand, China this year should be the first year that import gold more than India, and they expect a volume around 1,000 tons. So even though the Indian government has been increasing the tax, but overall there's still high demand, especially lately there is a huge demand. So the premium, normally the premium for the gold price in India, they're selling for around $4 US per troy ounce. So right now the premium increased up to $10 US per troy ounce.
Right. Kundipa, some experts noted that it is more difficult to buy gold bars considering slow deliveries in the foreign market. So how does this problem pose any impact on the gold prices?
So right now, because the gold price has been dropped a lot since the beginning of the year until now, that is one of the reasons that makes the investors in order to invest in gold in terms of speculation, will be quite difficult than 2 or 3 years before that the gold price is the uptrend during those times.
Kundipa, talking about the local market, as there's a news about the oil spill or the Internal Security Act to be imposed tomorrow, and the political rallies. I mean, all these political situations, how will this affect the gold price in the local market?
I don't think that this news will affect the gold price, the local gold price, because mainly the reason for the local gold price to increase or decrease mainly it will be from international news, especially those big countries like US or Europe or China.
So how should investors plan for the investment at the moment and for next week?
So right now the gold price since last week cannot hold above 1,350, and then for tonight is still waiting for the Fed meeting. So after the Fed meetings, then we will see clear direction for the short term, because in the short terms, if the gold price can go up above 1,350, then there's still a chance for the short terms to go up a little bit higher. However, if the news is not very good for the gold side, then we might see some selling pressures, and then the first support is at 1,300, and then the next big one will be at the 1,200 US dollar per troy ounce. But overall, for this year, for the gold price in terms of the medium term and long term, we still see it as the downtrend for the gold price. So overall, still recommend investors to buy and sell at the support and resistance level, and to set a cut loss level is very important.
Right.
Thank you very much for your time tonight.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
And now